Most of my friends like to play video games, but Rafiq and me prefer chess. Okay, we got quite a bit going on here. We have two sentences that have been combined with the conjunction, and the conjunction is right here. So because of that, we know we have to have a comma for sure, but we'll get to that. All right, let's do the obvious. Let's get the first word underlined. Most of my or capitalized. Most of my friends like to play video games. Now there's a natural pause there, comma, but Rafiq and me prefer chess. I'm going to put a period there at the end just so I don't forget. Now, Rafiq is somebody's name, so we have to capitalize that, of course, because that's a proper noun. But Rafiq and me prefer chess. Now, since two sentences have been combined, we need to look at Rafiq and me prefer chess on its own. Therefore, if you use this trick, would you say me prefer chess or I prefer chess? You would say I prefer chess. So we've got to get rid of me here. That is in the subject. It's subject I, predicate me. If it's in the subject, it's always, always, always going to be I. So Rafiq and I prefer chess. Okay, Rebecca, can you come sailing on our boat Saturday? We're going at 6 a.m. All right, so what I need to do first is I need to underline Rebecca because that's two things. That's the beginning of the sentence and it's somebody's name. Now, guys, we have a direct address here. We're directly addressing Rebecca. We're saying, Rebecca, can you come sailing on our boat Saturday? We're getting her attention. We're directly addressing her. And because we've done that, we have to put a comma after it. Rebecca, can you come sailing, not selling, sailing our boat? That's kind of a homophone issue there. Sailing. Whoops. Can you come sailing on our boat Saturday? We're going at 6 a.m. So we've got two sentences here. I need to put a question mark here. That's a question. We got to capitalize Saturday because that's a proper noun. And then we got to capitalize were. But look, guys, this is supposed to be a contraction for we are. We are going at 6 a.m. And because of that, we need to get the apostrophe in the right place, which is right there. Now it's a contraction. We are going at 6 a.m. And if you say that, you've got to get the colon there, and a.m. is an abbreviation. And we've got to get periods after it. Now we're not going to put two periods at the end. We're just going to put the one. Okay, use context clues to determine the meaning of the bolded word. The entire math class, including Professor Smith, was perplexed by the difficult problem. Now, for a lot of us, including me, just seeing the word math class means it's going to be hard and confusing. So that helps me with trying to figure out what perplexed means. This is a context clue that helps me. Also, the word difficult and problem are words that clues that help me understand what the word perplexed means. So the word perplexed means they were stumped, they were confused, they didn't know, they couldn't find the answer. Okay, past, present, or future. Phoebe dreams of being a ballerina someday. That's to me, when you see Phoebe dreams of being a ballerina someday, she's doing that right now. She's dreaming of that every single day. That's ongoing. And therefore, if it's ongoing, that's in the present. Because she dreams of that yesterday, today, she'll dream of it tomorrow. That's ongoing. So that's present tense. Circle the correct abbreviation for Saturday. I think it's this one. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay.